can employers legally monitor employees at work? Imagine working on your computer and wondering if your boss is watching every move you make. It's a common question in today's digital workplace. So, can employers legally keep an eye on employees during work hours? The answer is yes, but with some important limits. Most employers have the right to monitor activities on company-owned computers, phones, and networks. Since they own these tools, they can check emails, internet use, and even track location if needed. But they should tell employees about this monitoring. Clear policies help everyone understand what's being watched and why. When you use company property, your expectation of privacy drops. Employers can monitor your work-related activities more freely on their equipment and premises. Still, they cannot invade your personal space or snoop on private conversations unrelated to work. For example, personal emails sent from your own device at home are usually protected. Laws also set boundaries. For instance, wiretapping laws requiring one or both parties to agree before recording phone calls. Laws protecting health information or attorney-client communications prevent employers from spying on sensitive data. Employers must follow these rules to avoid legal trouble. To stay within the law, employers should have written policies explaining what they monitor, how they use the data, and how they protect privacy. Employees should be informed about monitoring practices before they start work or when policies change. Monitoring should be reasonable and related to legitimate business needs like productivity, safety, or security. Excessive or intrusive monitoring can hurt employee morale and might violate privacy rights. Employers should avoid overreach by limiting monitoring to what's necessary. For example, using video cameras in common areas is usually acceptable, but recording private conversations without consent is not. From a workplace rights perspective, employees have a right to privacy in certain areas. Employers can balance this by being transparent and fair about monitoring. They should only watch what's needed to run the business well and respect personal boundaries. In summary, employers can legally monitor employees at work, but they must follow laws, inform staff, and keep monitoring reasonable. Respecting privacy while protecting company interests creates a fair and lawful work environment.